3.
Is
it 3 S W S P?
Not go to the spooky broken airships. It's really easy.
Hello.
Here you go.
Wait, are you making video?
Oh shit. I'm using. And then
Making
you
video?
gotta go into this ship thing.
Hey,
You gotta
mister.
press this button, and then you'll get
Hey, are you
launched
making video?
right like this. You're not tripping, okay? You're not tripping. Nowhere to go. It's alright. Use your teleport then. It's easy. You might need it. You'll have to. You could use it if you want to use it. Oh, there. So, it's really easy to do this. It's not so hard. So,
Hey, wait, who's on Space Map?
you see that
I'm in
purple
the newest
thingy
one.
right there?
That's what I'm talking about.
You get your thingy, and then under that purple thingy, you'll see a little gap. So when you get in that gap, you're gonna the little sun. As you can see, I don't know. Is it here? Let me check. Yes. It is here. Now you just gotta put it there and boom, you're in. Just
Oh, baby, what the fuck?
teleport. And you'll see like a little box. I need to find it first. I recommend you doing this, guys. It's really easy. It's the OG map where you go to. Do we have to go in there or might? Where is the way? No, we don't. Sorry, guys. I can't find a way for some reason. I'll find it eventually. Is there? I just thought it keep looking. Also, very big shout out to what's his name? To Toasty, cause I saw this video from him and saw the video.
Yeah, I guess you.
And I really wanted to show you guys how to go to OG map. So this is what I'm doing to get the OG map. Pull all of these levers. So here's some music, which that doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, what the? Oh, yeah. Alright, last one. And then you'll see Animal Company rebooting. Just wait for it. Boom. You're in. It's very light. Gotta go over here. Then type in the code OG
I'm right above you. I'm right above you. Just go up.
G dot EXE. Enter. Then you're here. Then you'll see shop. Where is the lake? Gotta go over here. Yep, you'll see that. See this? And then you press log in. Then you're in OG Company. Yes. That's how you get into OG Animal Company, guys. And also,
Free of charge. Free
you
of
will
charge.
see
Shotgun. Free of
this.
charge. Oh, you okay? There.
all the things you can
Just so you
buy.
know.
Bye bye, guys. This is all for today's video.
Yo. No. You just killed me. You just.
Yo, guys, someone
You just flipping killed me.
Sorry, guys.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you.